Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. Whether you need brake repair, windshield repair, or a tune-up, Paragon Acura uses the industry's best factory-trained technicians along with the highest quality equipment to make sure your vehicle is serviced right the first time. Visit us at www.paragonacura.com, where you can get information about our high-tech collision center, order parts, speak to an online representative to answer your questions now. And when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. Paragon Acura is located at 5602 Northern Boulevard in Woodside, New York.